So another quick little video. I have a fridge in my Model Y that I want to keep in my sub trunk. As you can see, works very well. Problem is, because it's in the sub trunk and the bottom part's sealed, and if anything's on top of it, it doesn't have any real ventilation, and I don't really want to break the fridge. So I'm gonna try a little hack in which I bought a bunch of these off of Amazon. I'll link them below. These are typically used for furniture pads, but I figured they are the same color as the interior. So I stacked 4 of them. I'm probably gonna make it 5, just so there's a gap in between. But I don't want it to be too noticeable. Yes, I know if I put something on top of it, it's still gonna probably cause a heating problem. So I may go to 5, but hopefully this helps. I'm gonna run it for a little while, see how it goes, and I'll report back in if if it breaks. Won't be happy if it breaks, but gotta try something. Till the next one.